Welcome back to Apple Insider, your go-to destination for deep-dive tech reviews and premium smartphone analysis. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most talked-about flagships of the year, the OPPO Find X9 Pro. This device isn't just about cutting-edge specs, it's about redefining the premium Android experience from the inside out. OPPO has taken every bit of its design mastery, camera innovation, and software polish to craft something that feels genuinely futuristic. So sit back as we take you through every detail that makes the OPPO Find X9 Pro a phone worth talking about. First, let's start with design and build quality. The OPPO Find X9 Pro carries a sense of craftsmanship that stands shoulder to shoulder with the finest phones on the market. The moment you hold it, you can feel the precision of engineering. It's got a beautifully curved unibody with a smooth glass or eco-leather finish, depending on which variant you pick. The edges are perfectly contoured to fit the hand, while the camera module blends seamlessly with the back design, no harsh bumps or awkward transitions. OPPO's design team has clearly prioritized symmetry and comfort. The aluminum frame feels sturdy yet sleek, and the device is both IP68 water and dust resistant, offering durability without sacrificing elegance. It's the kind of phone that turns heads the moment it catches light, and every element, from the tactile power button to the subtle branding, screams attention to detail. It's a design that not only looks premium but feels purpose-built for those who appreciate refined aesthetics. Now, moving to the display. The OPPO Find X9 Pro houses a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a stunning 2K+ resolution and an adaptive refresh rate that goes up to 120 Hz. The colors are incredibly vibrant, the contrast is impeccable, and the brightness reaches levels that make outdoor viewing effortless. Whether you're watching HDR content or scrolling through social media, the experience is fluid, rich, and immersive. The display supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and covers the full DCI-P3 color gamut for professional-grade accuracy. The bezels are almost invisible, creating an edge-to-edge viewing experience that feels cinematic. The LTPO technology ensures that the refresh rate dynamically shifts based on what you're doing, helping conserve battery without compromising smoothness. For gamers, this means ultra-responsive touch sampling, and for movie lovers, it means breathtaking visual depth. OPPO's display calibration has improved drastically over the years, and with the Find X9 Pro, it's evident they've achieved a perfect balance between sharpness, color temperature, and real-world usability. Next, performance. The OPPO Find X9 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage. In simple terms, it's lightning quick. Every task, from switching between apps to editing 4K videos, feels instantaneous.